How to install Cisco Packet Tracer on Windows. Packet Tracer is computer software that is designed with the purpose of making network simulations to understand the networking and cybersecurity concepts in an easy way. It is built by Cisco Corporation and is available for free for different operation systems like macOS, Windows, Linux, etc. It is easy with a simpler interface. Installation Packet Tracer on Windows. Follow the below steps to install Packet Tracer on Windows. Step 1. Visit the official website of https://www.netacad.com using any web browser, like Chrome, Mozilla, and Opera, etc. Step 2. Press the Login button and select Login in option. Step 3. Now the login screen appears again, so fill in the email, ID, and password. For your reference, check the below screenshot. Step 4. Next screen will appear and will ask for email and password and other basic details. Fill them and click on Register. For your reference, check the below screenshot. Step 5. Next screen will appear. Now the login screen appears again, so fill in the register email ID and password. Step 6. Dashboard will initialize. Now click on Resources and choose Download Packet Tracer option. For your reference, check the below screenshot. Step 7. On the next web page, choose the OS to download the Packet Tracer. Download will start automatically. Step 8. After download, check for the executable file in U-System and run it. The way you install any basic software.